Hi everyone, so thank you so much for clicking this video. Actually, in today's video, I'm going to talk about village girl. Yes, guys, because you can see I'm also a village girl. I'm sitting in the kitchen and I'm creating this video at night time. I'm speaking a little because everybody is sleeping, and if they listen my voice, they will come to me and say that why are you doing this, just to go and sleep, do not do this kind of things, and they will consider that is talking to someone else on video call. So this kind of mindset they have. And while making this video, I'm feeling fear because of my father, because they really do not like these things, like I make videos, so they do not like, they are against of making videos. So I'm really feeling fear because my father is sleeping and I'm in the kitchen. I'm making this video. So guys, let me talk about my today's topic. So as I have told you that today I want to talk about village girls. So I am also village girl. My name is Chandrakala and I'm from Chhattisgarh. There is a small village in the district of Bemitara in Chhattisgarh. I live in that village. That is very small village. There is no any facilities. The one who lives there, right? So as I have talked about my introduction, so now the point is about my dreams, about my career. So guys, I have done my graduation in Bachelor of Arts, and now I'm just doing hard work for fulfilling my desire. My dream is to make people aware that villagers can do anything. There is no differences between a village girl, a village boy, or any other boy. We are same and we are in the same zone. So this is my dream. I just want to make people aware about these differences, that there is no any differences. And guys, village life. If I talk about village life, so whenever I think about those village girls just like me, I feel that how hard work they do. Whole day we are busy in cooking food, we are busy in doing household work, we are busy in washing the dishes, we are busy in clothing, we are busy in washing the clothes, we are busy in sweeping the floor, we are busy in cooking food, we are busy in serving food. We are busy whole day for others, but we do not have time for ourselves. How can it be possible? We all have 24 hours, but a woman, but a girl, do not live their life for themselves. Whole day they are busy only for their family members. You know what? Village life is not really very easy as you think. It is very tough life. In living in a village, I know that there is no any facilities for education, for treatment, for girls empowerment. There is no any facilities. We have to face so many things, like the mindset of people. If we go somewhere with by taking this mobile phone, so all people considers that she must have any one may talk to someone with any boy. So we are considerate like this if we take any mobile phone by going somewhere. And there are so many like family expectation that they have from us. I am just 23 years old, and I create this video, but my father has great expectation from me that she speaks English, so she will do something different in our family, and they always think about that. And actually he does not like this kind of things, like I make videos, so he does not like this. He is against of making videos. So it is my choice, it is my interest to make videos. So for my interesting I make videos. And he does not like, so always he says that she is doing useless work, she has no any ability, because of that she is making video. So I get to listen these things every day. And not only I, there are so many village girls, they have to listen this kind of things every day. So guys, I just want to say that village life is not so easy. We are busy whole day. You know what? Actually, you know what? Today, from morning time, it was heavily raining, and in summer season, we have to face water problems. We do not have enough waters in our home, so we have to go out for bringing water. That may be 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer. By walking we have to go there, and this is the work of only women. Only girls have it. Only girls have to do this work. Why not boys? Why not men? Why can they not fulfill water in these serious cases? This is the question from my side. If you have any answer, so please reply me. Because of heavily raining, the weather is very cold, and that's why I have wore this sweater in April month. Right? It must be very hot in April month, but the weather is just changing. Climate is just changing, and that's why it is very cold today. So I have wore this sweater. So, guys, after completing my work, after cooking food, after fulfilling water, after serving food, I am free right now. And even I'm making this video by feeling fear because of my family members. What if they listen my voice and they will come here and scold me? So I always feel fear in my village, in my home. That's why I do not like living here. I always think to go somewhere and just fulfill my dreams. This is how we have to survive in our life in village area. How hard is our life? Nobody can understand. We can understand because we are living in village. So do not think that village life is very easy. जो भी काम हमें करना पड़ता है वो खुद से करना पड़ता है. इवन अगर क्या ही बोलूँ, what should I speak here? Even in serious cases like period, stomach pain. So in these cases, we have to go shop for taking pad. Means always whatever works are there, we have to do that by our own. It helps us, and especially if I talk about men or boys, their work is only working outside of their home, and our works is equal. So I think that we should not different between girls, village girls or village boy or anything. Girls' life is not really very easy by living in village, because I know sometimes I just want to make video in daytime, but because of family members, because of social issues, because of family expectation, I really do not make video. And I always busy whole day, so it is really very difficult for me to take time for making video. So guys, I'm feeling like sleepy because it has been 11 o'clock. So I should go for sleep because I every day I wake up early in the morning. I'm an early bird, so that's why I'm feeling very sleepy. So I would like to wrap up this session for today, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. You got to know about village girl. So This is how we live our life in village area by listening to those all words from those people. So get on the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Good night. Have a nice day. Have a nice night.